Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Advanced Trendlines Indicator for MT4. This tool automatically finds swing highs and lows and draws support and resistance trend lines, helping you see market structure, channels and potential breakout or bounce areas without manually plotting every line. In this video, you will see how the auto-drawn trend lines appear, how they update as new swings form, and how you can use them as a visual map of structure. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'll just allow DLL imports. And there we go. You can see how it looks. On the chart, the Advanced Trendlines Indicator draws red trend lines that connect swing highs to form dynamic resistance and deep sky blue trend lines that connect swing lows to form dynamic support. As price action evolves, the indicator scans for new meaningful tops and bottoms and extends or adds lines showing channels, converging structures, and areas where repeated touches suggest important levels. When price approaches a blue support line, it implies a potential bounce zone. When it pushes into or breaks through a red resistance line, it implies possible rejection or breakout behavior, giving you a clear structural context for candles and patterns. As for the indicator settings, sensitivity or swing strength settings control how significant a high or low must be to qualify for connection, which determines how many trend lines appear and how tight or broad they are. Star options let you adjust the colors and thickness of support and resistance lines so they can remain visible but do not overwhelm your chart. Some versions also allow you to limit how far back in history lines are drawn or to filter by time frame, focusing the indicator on the portions of structure that matter most to your trading horizon. As for what the indicator is for, the Advanced Trendline Indicator is suited to traders who rely on trend lines and channels but want them drawn systematically and consistently, whether they are newer traders learning structure or experienced traders seeking confirmation. It is a visual analysis aid only, does not execute trades, and because it is based on past swings, lines can still be broken, faked, or front run, so it should be combined with candlestick behavior, confluence, and risk management rather than used as a standalone signal generator. You can download the Advanced Trendlines Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It offers an automated way to map support and resistance trend lines so you can focus more on reading price reactions and planning trades. If you like tools that handle structural drawing for you, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.